Okay, we are back to take up the last method using the sum or difference of two cubes. You remember the expansion a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared gives you a cube plus b cube, or a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. And in the same way, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. These are the factors of the expression of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Now, when you are going to use this, first you must identify the first term and the second term. Whenever you are given a cube, identify the first term and the second term like we did in the difference of two squares. Once you identify the first term and the second term, you just have to substitute it in the respective places. Alright. For example, here, first example, a cube plus 27b cube. First of all, we got a cube, first term cube, and we got a second term which has got a cube here. So we rearrange this in the form of a first term cube and a second term cube. So this can be written as a cube and this can be written as 3b whole cube. Okay. Observe this carefully. This is a very important step. The entire process of factorization depends on this step where you obtain a first term cube and a third term cube. So now that we've got a cube and 3b cube. So now this takes the form of the first term. A is the first term, 3b is the second term. So using this, we will get the first term plus the second term. First term plus the second term into the first term squared. First term squared will be a squared minus first term into second term will be 3ab and plus the second term squared will be 9b squared. So these are the factors. Remember I told you, obtain the first term cube, obtain the second term cube. Whatever be the expression, your first goal should be to obtain a first term cube and a second term cube. See here, second expression, 8a cube minus 27b cube. You can write this as 2a cube. Remember I told you, the first term cube minus the second term cube. So first term cube minus second term cube will be the first term minus the second term into the first term square, that is 4a squared, plus the first term into second term which will be 6ab, and plus the second term is squared, that will be 9b squared. You see here, first term is square, 4a squared, plus first term into second term, that is 6ab, and the second term is squared, that is 9b squared. Clear? Using this expansion, the expansion of the cubic expansion or the factors of a cube, you can obtain the factors. Remember, always make an attempt to get or to change or to convert the expression which you are given in the form of a first term cube minus a second term cube, or a first term cube plus the second term cube, and then apply the factors. We'll stop here. This takes care the last method. So we've covered all the 5 methods, taking out the common factor, the grouping method, the trinomial method, the difference of two squares, and the sum or difference of two cubes. A worksheet is provided for you, plus some additional notes have been already given to you. Please go through it, try out the questions,